Look out, Austin! It's another year of South by Southwest. And if you're heading to Texas, there are a few tips to help you save some cash. Hi, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60, and here's what you need to know to save some money at South by. If you're a newbie to the show, know that you don't have to buy a pricey badge. Badges do give you entry to industry panel discussions, and they'll help you skip long lines. But there are so many shows to check out that don't require badges. So save your money. If you don't already use this app, you should. Hitch a ride with Lyft. The company allows people to pay using PayPal, and the partnership between the two companies is just in time to offer South by Southwest riders $5 off their first 10 rides. And if you use this in Austin, you'll get the chance to get free swag and hitch a ride in a swanky car using the promotional feature Magic Mode. But if you'd rather use public transportation, you can get a 7-day pass from the city's public transit system, Capital Metro, for $27.50. This pass is also good for a bus ride from the airport to downtown. Not too shabby. So enjoy the party without dropping a ton of money. Celebrate music, tech, and saving cash. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.